Hi everyone, welcome back. Now today we're going to get this ceiling area complete. Got a small section here to do. I want to work on this side as well. Be interesting to get the green on that to see how it complements the off-white. Yes, it's not pure white, it is an antique white. Nice soft and mellow tones here. Okay, let's get this video underway. Just got to fix this support post into our joist there. This holds up the majority of the weight on this side. Got the cantilever here, but the rest of it is all tied in all the way around. It's a very strong staircase entryway structure. Okay, we'll pin that, get this boarded. Incredibly hard. That's got it. Don't need to put another piece of timber through there just to pick up the end of the board, and then we should be okay. Okay, let's see whether that piece fits. Of course it does. Okay, let's get cutting. Sometimes you just get one piece that will not go in first, second or third time. Maybe this time it will. It's because there's lots of different angles and things to cut around. Hey. You need another pair of hands. Surprising how long these little fiddly bits take. You can put up meters and meters of big stuff. When it comes to the little bits and pieces, it slows you down. Now that this section's done, let's move over to the side and figure out that edging piece here think it's going to be pretty straightforward. Well, it would have been if I hadn't snapped my tripod. See whether I can fix it. They don't make things to last now, do they? Yeah, I think the screw is snapped. Yep, new screw, fixed it. I was thinking of something like this. Just tidy that edge up, won't it? Yeah, I'll put a join there. I'll cut a 45 there, a mitre. It's easier to join together. Get that cut. Fix everything out. Just take that in place for now. Twisting that. Yeah, lots of wood dries and twists in this weather as well. Certainly a consideration. Let's get that in cut first. What I normally do is cut the mitre first, and then if it's, well, it will be too big because I'll make it too big till it fits, and then just keep taking off the straight cut. It's a lot easier than keep cutting an angle. Just a little bit too long. Should be okay. Just a bit more. Nice and flush now. Counter sink and get some fixings in. We'll get this end fixed first. We'll get a fixing through the two mitres. Make it nice and strong, then we'll go down that end because that end has got quite a twist in it. And I'm hoping I can get it out. Simply put a fixing through the mitre there, make it nice and strong. Just managed to pull that twist out of it. Now I'm keen to see the contrast between what's underneath here, which is going to be on there, to the green. So I'm going to get a coat of the off-white on here, and then we'll do a few of them boards just to see how it looks. Okay, let's go for the test colour next to it, the green. We know what it looks like, but we haven't seen it directly up against that off-white, have we? Yeah, I'm liking the contrast. Quite mellow, so the green will dry out a bit lighter. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Well, I've done as much as I can today in this heat, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.